My name's Richie Gard, and I've worked for Diamond Print Services for 22 years now.
Stefan Beer. I've been at Rydal now for just over nearly 5 years. When I first came in, I started as a business account manager. Soon went up to new business sales.
So the phone system we had was fairly antiquated, and it was something that we'd sort of patched up. We decided that when sort of coronavirus had sort of hit, we wanted to look to see where we could sort of make some savings across the whole business, and were we getting value for money? So by getting the Curo IP system installed, and the features that come with that, and the cost savings as well, and moving forward, I think that we sort of future-proofed the business. If heaven forbid there's another pandemic, and our chaps have to work from home again, then they'll be able to take the handsets home because they're Wi-Fi enabled, and it will ring and work exactly from home as what it does in the office, which is great.
One of the main reasons I kind of went in with the Curo IP platform straight away was the flexibility of the system. The flexibility, whilst we're in a pandemic at the minute, they're not working from home at the minute, but there might be a case in years to come where they would need that. Secondary thing was definitely the no need for Cat5 cabling everywhere, because the Curo IP handsets are fully Wi-Fi or fully wireless, which they can just plug straight into a PowerPoint. What
with Steph talking about the broadband solution and just giving us a whole package, and I thought this is great because if there is an issue, I've got one person to call and that's it.
One of the other things was support levels. Obviously they had stuff under one basket before, but they really wanted something or a company that was going to have support levels such as Rydal. We have at Rydal Group, just to look after, go the extra mile for everything that they do. Right from the start, so we always kind of look at what the business does. We always, as part of the Rydal Group, where we kind of got different parts of the group. In the telecoms division, which I'm in, we do the mobile systems, kind of network infrastructure and things like that. After I completed the phone system, so the Curo IP phone system, it was soon become apparent that Richie wanted to have kind of the mobiles all under one roof. So mobiles for me personally is one of my strong points. Went away, kind of got something together. My recommendation, put it to Richie. They were very happy to go ahead with that, which once again, they've now got everything under one roof, one form of support. The whole process kind of from the start normally is come in, I'll kind of give a demonstration on the Curo IP solution, talk a little bit about the business. After that, if the customer's happy to go ahead, it then goes up to our provisioning team. The provisioning team will then kind of foresee the whole order, trying to make it as seamless and as smooth as possible. After that period, then it will then go to our business account managers, who will then look after it in life.